one section of the Christmas light doesn't work. So I'm going to troubleshooting to find out what is the problem. Okay, I use this pen to check the voltage, whether there's a volt or no volt. Okay, in the line here, I will check whether there's a light or not light or neutral. So there's only LED light come with 3 lines. One is the lamp side, is which connect one here connect in series another lamp, and there's another one here, another one here. So we can using the pen to see which whether there's electricity. Well, this one has, so the lamp line has one turning. Okay, the other one we see. This one also has. You can see this one here. This one doesn't have light. I mean, this one is neutral, and this one is it's hot, and this one is also hot. Okay. So the light with a LED light with a 2 leg, so which is will be pushed down to this get connector, these 2 sides. So I will measure which side has a power, has a electricity. So we'll see here. I connect here this side. Okay. This side has electricity. This side doesn't have. Okay, then we will conclude. And this side has a niche. Okay, a little bit the niche here, so which represents the negative side. So this is the LED light. Okay, so it has 2 pins. There's a slot here is negative. The other side is positive. We can use in the multimeter to measure, okay, both and see whether it's conduct or not conduct. So we can measure. This is red is positive. Black is negative. So we measure. Okay, you see. Okay. Okay, it push up here, but in case this is LED light is working, it's conductive. Okay, the other side, reverse side is not go. It won't go. Okay, there's no light go. That means only one current go this way, not in the other side. Couldn't find using the detector and find out which LED light is broken. So I remove one at a time and check one at a time. From the last one, continue go. Then I find out this one, and this one is broken. So I will replace it. See, one of the pin, a negative pin, is broken. So one section of the LED are not working. So I counted. It is 50 LED light not working. So I using this pen to check, but I couldn't find out. So I started from the last one to check LED one at a time. So I find out at the 7 pins out of the 50, I find out one broken LED. So I replace it and start working. So now it's so this one I replace and mark the red tape here. So this one is replace LED. Okay, so this is the one. Okay.